Hello everyone. In this video, we go through 4 cases. In 2 cases, we increase or decrease the value by a certain percentage, and we want to see by how many percentage we have to change the product to get back to the original value. In the third case, we have changed an item price 3 times, and we want to see what is the product. And the fourth case, we increase the value by 200% 2 times in a row, and we want to see the result. To return to the original price after a 25% discount, the discounted price must be increased by how many percent? We say the initial value is $100. We want to have 75% of that because we have reduced it by 25%. Thus, the price will be $75. And now we want to go back to 100 from 75. We write an equation, 75 multiplied by x equal 100. We divide both sides by 75 and we get 1.33. That means the price has to be increased from 100 to 133%. That is, we have to increase the price by 33%. Another method, which is shorter, is to use a formula. A formula is percentage change equals to difference divided by previous value. Well, the price has been decreased to 75%. So difference is 25 and previous is 75. We want to go back to 100. It will be almost 33%. You can write this statement even by using the change factor. Instead of 100%, you can write 1, and instead of 75%, you can write 0.75. To return to the original price after a 25% increase, the price must be reduced by how many percent? Let's say that the initial value is 100. We want to increase this price by 25%, means we want to have 125% of the initial value. We get $125. Now we want to change 125 to the original value, that is 100. We write an equation, 125x equal 100. We divide both sides by 125, we get 0.x, that is 80%. So the price has been increased by 20%. Another method for using this problem is using the formula. The formula says that the percentage change equals to the difference divided by the previous value. We have increased the price from 100% to 125% first, and now we want to reduce 125% to 100%. It means the difference is 25, and the previous value in this case is 125. 25 divided by 125 equals 20%. You can even write this statement in change factors. That is, instead of 125%, you can write 1.25, and instead of 100, you can write 1. The price of an item that increases first by 12%, then by 13%, and finally decreases by 25% is now increased, unchanged, or decreased. Let's say that the initial value is $100. We increase it by 12%, means we want to have 112% of $100. We get $112. Now we want to increase $112 by 13%. We get 126.56. And this value has to be decreased by 25%. Means we want to have 75% of this value. We get $95. So the value of the item has decreased from 100 to 95, means decreased by 5%. Another method is the change factor, that is shorter. We write all the changes in change factors. Increasing by 12% means 1.12. Increasing by 13% means 1.13 in change factor, and decreasing by 25% means 0.75. The product of all these change factors equals to 0.95. So this is another way to solve this problem. How many times the value of a number which increased by 200% twice in a row will be? Let's say the initial value is $100. We want to increase $100 by 200%. 200% of 100 is 200. And we increase 100 by 200, we will get $300. Now we want to increase 300 by 200%. 200% of 300 is 600, and we add 600 to 300, we get $900. From 100 to 900, it is 9 times. Another way to solve this problem is using change factor. We have two changes. The first change is increasing by 200. In change factor means 3, because 100% plus 200% will be 300%, and in decimal, which is change factor, it will be 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. the value becomes 9 times. Or you can say the value becomes 8 times larger. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye until the next one.